Now that we have our expression library created, let's look at how we can combine those different pieces into creating a single expression. So here we've just got our base guy here at level 3, and we've got all of our layers here with our eyebrow and mouth shapes. Okay, so let's see how we can combine these. Now you may have named these, whatever, something meaningful to you. So I've just got mine, kind of the eyebrow shapes are at the top because that's what we did first, and then down here the mouth shape. So let's figure out which shapes we need to create. So let's create kind of a smug expression in this lesson. So let's start up here in the eyes and eyebrows. So let's first take the eyes, and we'll turn off the eye close on the left and the right. Okay, but we don't want them to be closed all the way. So we'll take our left eye close, and let's dial the intensity down to something like maybe 0.5, maybe 0.25. So we'll take it down to 0.25. Take our right eye close, and we'll do the same thing. Maybe 0.4, no, 0.3. You can just kind of keep trying it. And let's open that eye just a little bit more. So let's go down to 0.16. And for the eyebrows, we can, let's go ahead and take the left brow and go ahead and leave that where it is. Let's take the left brow B down, turn that on. We'll leave that at intensity of, sorry, that was we still have the eye selected, so that's why that did that. There, we'll select that. We can overdrive that a little if we want to. Okay, let's take our right brow. Let's do right A up. Let's do right B up. Okay. And let's close that right eye a little bit more. So we'll go back down here and play with our intensity. So make that maybe 0.3, maybe 0.25, something like that. All right, let's go down to our mouth shapes now. And let's go ahead and bring up the smile shape on the left-hand side. So that was the mouth C up. Go ahead and bring that in. Let's go ahead and try to close the mouth a little bit. Let's bring up that shape, but let's dial down the intensity a bit. And here I am still with the eye closed, selected. So keep in mind you can change the visibility on these without actually selecting them. So go ahead and select that. And let's overdrive that mouth shape a little. Okay. And let's go ahead and change that shape. Let's go ahead and bring up this side a bit. But let's dial it way down. Maybe at half. And let's go ahead and bring up the rest of this a little bit. So bring up that shape, dial the intensity down, just kind of even that out. Okay. And we need one more shape in there to fix that. So we'll go ahead and create a new shape. And this shape will have this side of the mouth being pulled up. Okay. All right, so you can always add new shapes later on. All right, so that's a combination. You can see the little eyes turned on for the visibility of the layers that we're using. So you can see that's a combination of those particular layers with the visibility on, and then those particular layers have specific intensities applied to them. So we can not only use them at 100%, but we can dial in the effect that they're giving us. And then we can always move up in our subdivision hierarchy. And then if we wanted to output this at any level, we can go ahead and output that as an OBJ file as well. Just keep in mind that we only have access to our layers on the particular subdivision level where they've been created. In this case, it's level 3. Okay, so we're able to mix and match different layers to create kind of a smug expression. Let's go ahead in the next lesson and do the same thing, and this time we'll create a different expression. Let's create something a little bit more cranky. So we'll go and do that next.